Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I'm making these meatball subs. So this is our lunch for today, but I've made these meatballs and I'm going to show you how to make homemade meatballs. It's very easy to make and just one of those cheap lunch. So for making the meatballs you need ground beef. So for me I've got 1 kg of ground mince. Of course I'm not gonna use it all, but so that's 1 kilo of beef mince, which I'm adding salt. I'm adding some paprika, black pepper, just a teaspoon of each spice, black pepper. Now adding garlic powder, also adding mixed herbs and some all-purpose seasoning. I'm using 2 different types of all-purpose seasoning, and I'm adding another all-purpose seasoning. So while I've got that, I'm going to use some eggs just to help with the binding of the meatballs. So just adding 2 eggs. So don't over mix, just mix to make sure the spices are all mixed through the mince and the egg. So now I'm just gonna make the meatballs. So just make the small sizes, which will help cook fast. But you feel free to make whatever size you like. But I'm going to make the meatballs now. So this is how many meatballs I made, guys, with 1 kilo of ground beef. So adding oil in a large pan and then add the meatballs. Just make sure all the sides are cooked. So cooking the meatballs until they are nice and golden brown, and then set them aside.
Wait, 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 wait. Mate, why are you so far away? Why are you straight? Why do you go away from the group? How did I make that? Yo, wait up, Dad. I got this. Oh. It's alright, too long on the off. Ariel, let's go! What? I'll take it from here. Good job. Fly. You need flying.
Just add salt and black pepper, just for taste. So now I'm putting back the meatballs.
Wait! Shoot it down! Shoot it down! Go, go, go! It's falling, it's falling, it's falling! Baby! Baby! Right, am I getting beaten by an AI?
I'm going to slow cook in the sauce for about 20 minutes or so.
Get him! Okay. No. Okay. fucking ninja. Hey, bro, with the zero build tactics, that was some crazy move. I make can't see you. Oh, I'm doing it too.
So I'm using mozzarella cheese. I'm just gonna put mozzarella cheese on both sides of the subs.
Go loud.
And in the oven,
Visualize the target. Good. Whip! Shots fired! Shots fired! I've been hit! I've been hit! Man down! Man down! Oh, oh.
Forget about us. Just save our soul. Okay, let's go on Roblox and play that war game. That you guys were talking about. Hello? Oh.